Did you make a purchase on Amazon and just seeing like your Amazon package is simply not updating, simply not giving you enough context? It's just saying shipped or in transit or whatever it is, but you'd like to know where your package is, right? Shipped or in transit is not giving you enough. You don't know when exactly it's going to come. What it does is just kind of give you an estimated delivery date that is going to say deliver by X time. And so this is what you get. But let's say you want to know when it's going to come, right? You want to know where exactly it is and get more context, right? What you can do to fix that problem or to solve this problem is, of course, ensure that you log into your Amazon account, go to return and orders, and you will see that your package is shipped. You want to ensure that it's not stuck on not shipped yet, because if it's not shipped yet, then you can't track that. So under the orders, you should see that it says shipped and you should see estimated delivery date. But the important thing that you want to get is the tracking ID. Once you copy the tracking ID, open up your browser and go to track.amazon.com. And from here, you will enter that tracking ID and hit track. This is going to give you much more context on how to track and let's say a much more delivery status of your packages, right? So if you're seeing like Amazon tracking is not updating, not giving you enough context, use this. Use this option to track your package properly. And this should be a much better way to track your package on Amazon. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.